every one of you. I hope you all are keeping well and you are following your class and copying down your notes regularly. So be ready with graph paper and textbook notebook. Before we have completed up to question number 5, now we will continue from question number 6. You all read question number 6 and understand it. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables. So two variables we have to take, we will take x and y and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. So here distance traveled by the body we are taking as x and the work done by the body is y units. Let the work done by the body be y units and the distance traveled by the body be x units. So here work done we have taken as y and distance traveled by the body we have taken as x units, like x kilometer or x meter, like that. So here one condition is given: the work done is directly proportional to the force of the body. So we know one formula: work done equal to force into distance. Force into distance. This is the formula to be applied here. Work done, W, work done we have taken as y. Therefore, according to the question, work done y is equal to force into distance. Then force is here constant force given 5 units. Then 5 into distance traveled by the body is x. So this is the required linear equation. With the help of this linear equation, we have to draw the graph. And here it is, graphical representation. You have to use graph paper. You all be ready with graph paper and use coordinate axis x dash, y dash. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, here up to 7 or 8 taken, but you take up to 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. Use one big square as 1 unit. So here two variables are there, x and y. If we take the value, one value of x, we get the other value of y. So if x is equal to 0, therefore value of y that we get 5 into 0, this is also 0. So this is for x and it is for y. So when x is 0, the value of y we have got 0. Let us take the another value of x to get the value of y. So if x equal to 1, then what will be the value of y? Now y is equal to here 5 into x. There we will place 1. Then 5 1 ja 5. So when x is equal to 1, the value of y that we have obtained is 5. Now these two points we will plot on the graph paper and then join them by one straight line. Then x0, y0. x0 is here and y0 is also here. So this is the point which is called origin. Other point is, this is 0, 0. Other point is x equal to 1 here and y is equal to 5 positive. Then y positive upside up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is here. So this is 1 and 5. And this is 0, 0. These 2 points to be joined with the help of your scale. Name that straight line as AB. Now these 2 points we have plotted on graph paper and joining them by the straight line to get the required graph. Now short explanation. Plotting the points on the graph paper and joining them we get the required graph. plotting the points and joining them we get the required graph. So graph is completed here, but basing this graph, two more questions are asked. Also read from the graph. From this graph we have to read that from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. So when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units, what will be the work done? Then first part, here it is, first part. This part we can remove now. So first part of the question, when work done is 2 units, then y is equal to 5 into 2. This is 10 units. Second part, y is equal to 5x. Then here given 0, here 2 units given. 2 units, that is why that 2 is put here. Then 5 into 0 unit. This is 0 units. So this is the complete answer for question number 6. Now read question number 7. Gemini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contributed 100 rupees towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. So two friends, Gemini and Fatima, together they have contributed 100 rupees. So let us suppose that Gemini and Fatima, they are giving X rupees and Y rupees. So together they will contribute 100 rupees. So their total contribution is 100 rupees. So let us suppose Gemini and Fatima, both of them contributed as X and Y rupees. Let the contribution of Gemini be X rupees and the contribution of Fatima be Y rupees. Now total contribution, their total contribution is 100 rupees. Therefore, according to the question, total contribution X plus Y is equal to 100 rupees. Now this is the required linear equation. With the help of this linear equation, we have to draw graph. Therefore, Y is equal to 100 minus X. We will go for finding out minimum 2 solutions. So when X is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, in this way we can take. So if X is equal to 10 or 20, the value for Y going to be 100 minus here 20 to be placed. This is 80. So if X is 20, we have got Y is equal to 80. Again another value of X, 20, 30, 40, 50, in this way you can take any value. So if it is 30, then the value for Y going to be 100 minus 4X, 30 to be placed, it is 70. So when X is 30, so we have got Y is equal to 70. Now we have to go for drawing the graph. you all use your graph paper and take the units as 10. X dash. This is y dash. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30 in this way take. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. In this way it will go. X dash 80. This side minus value, then minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40. In this way it will go on. As negative value not there, this side we are not taking more. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. In this way it will go on. This side minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, and so on. Now we'll start plotting. So when x20 is here and y is 80, y positive upside, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So x20 for that, y 80. Here it is 80 and 20. This is 20 and 80. Another point, x30 and y70. x30, 10, 20, 30 here, and y70. Go up to 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 30, 30 and 70. This is 30, 70. Now these 2 points join and extend. Name that point, name that straight line as AB, and here write scale. Scale always same place. Both axes you take 10 division equal to 10 units. Both axes 10 division equal to 10 units. Now short explanation like before, that plotting the points on the graph paper and joining them we get the required graph. Plotting the points and joining them we get the required graph. So this is the complete answer for the question number 7. Let's see question number 8. So here in the countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. So here one relation given between the Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. So that relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale is given. Using this relation we need to draw the graph. So the given relation is here F equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. So this relation is given. So using this relation we need to draw the graph. So first we'll suppose the value of C such a way that it will be possible to cancel with this 5. Means we will take the value of C as the multiple of 5 or 0. So if C is equal to 0, then what will be the value for F? Now 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So 0 into something is 0 plus 32. This is 32. So this is C, this is for F. Celsius and Fahrenheit scale relation here. So when Celsius scale 0, then Fahrenheit scale it will be 32. Okay, let us take one more value for C. If C is equal to 5 or minus 5 also can be taken, then F is equal to 9 by 5 into 5 plus 32. 5 cancel, getting 9 plus 32, which is 41. So when C is 5, F is equal to 41. Now using these 2 points, we have to draw the graph. So draw the coordinate axis in your graph paper. This is x dash, negative part of x. This is y dash, negative side of y. This is 0. So here also we can take as 10, 20, 30, 40 in this way. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. In this way it will go on. This side negative part of x, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50. In this way going on. And upside y positive, 10, 20, 30. You take one big square as 10 units using your graph paper. 30, 40, this is 50, 60, 70, 80. It is not finished here. Many more terms, many more points can be taken, but our up to 41. So it is available. That is why we are not taking any more extra value there. This is minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40. In this way it is going on. Now we will start plotting. Then C0, this x dash, this one question says that take x-axis Celsius scale. So this is C dash can be taken. And here use y-axis as Fahrenheit. Then this one F dash can be taken. F dash. And this is Celsius scale C. It is given in the question. Use x-axis as Celsius and use y-axis as Fahrenheit scale. Now Celsius scale 0 here, and at that time Fahrenheit 32, 10, 20, 30 and 2 more small squares. So 32 means 30 and 2 small squares. It is here 32. So this is the point, that is 0 and 32. And C5 here in the middle, C5 and F41. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Then 1 unit extra. Small square 1 extra. 40, 41, 42. Here this division, this 40 to 50. This interval has been divided into 10 equal parts. So from here 1 small square taken. So it is 41. So this is 5 and 41. 5 and 41. Now these two join and extend both sides. Name that straight line as AB. Now scale to be written here. Scale both axes we have taken 10 division equal to 10 units. 10 division equal to 10 units that we have taken. So here short explanation, plotting the points and joining them, plotting the points and joining them by straight line. You're plotting the points and joining them, we get the required graph. That's all. We need not to make it too long. So it is completed here. Now basing this graph, some more sub questions are there. Read the next part of the question. Part 1. So it is told here. So first part, draw the graph. That part we have completed. Now if the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So this is the second part. If C is equal to 30, then what will be the value of Fahrenheit scale? So F is equal to, given 9 by 5 C plus 32, then here 9 by 5 for C, 30 degree plus 32, 5 6 are, then 6 9 are 54 plus 32. So 5 plus 4 plus 2 6, 86 degree. So in Fahrenheit